Girl, let's talk about Valentine's Day gifts your boyfriend is actually gonna want. I have scoured the internet for these and have been thinking about like, what do boys actually want, actually do, what do they even do, you know? And I think I came up with some answers, okay? Also, all these gifts that I picked can be like the main gift. Like, I'm thinking give him a basket with a bunch of candy, like his favorite snacks, lotion, deodorant, you know, all those basic things. And then pick one of these items that I'm gonna show you and make that like the main gift, and then surround it with all those little gifts and decorate it cute. You know how to do it. It's a universal gift that I think most boys would want. I want it, and I'm a girl. But it literally, if his car is a little bit older or just doesn't have CarPlay, some cars just don't have it. It's a little CarPlay. It's $50. I think it's a pretty good price for that. I know it's a little pricey, so I have different options later on, different budgets. Don't worry. But this is a yes. Sticking with the car theme, you can get him these red mats that are in Valentine's Day theme, so they would look super cute in a basket that you give him, or if you wrap it up, and it's just cute. Like, they're nice mats, and I think, you know, if your boyfriend is really into his car, which a lot of boys usually are, so I wanted to include a car section for the car guy, you know. Great gift, I think, on Amazon. Of course, everything will be linked in the storefront, don't worry. Now, this is for the gamer boyfriend, or if they just aren't really a gamer but they like to play games but it's not at that level, you know the difference. Anyways, this is a good gift for both. I mean, it's a red controller. How cute would that look in the basket? Like, don't even, like, for the aesthetic, just how cute, right? Anyways, I know it's pricey, so only do this if it's in your budget, because $71 is a lot of money, you know? But I wanted to include it, because if it is in your budget, do it, girl. But I did you one better, because if you are on a budget, I found this case, and I think it's like $20. I don't remember, and it's not in the screenshot, but it's a case for the controller itself, and it's way more affordable. So if you still wanted to do this but are on a budget, and he has the controller already, because obviously he does, get that. Also, if he's an Xbox player, I have another option for the Xbox controller in red, linked also in my storefront, so you can check that out if you like it. Next is for my tech guys. Listen, men love to organize their cables. I don't know why, they just do. Trust me, a lot of them just, they geek out over this. So I thought I would include it, and there it is. I think this one was $30, which I thought was a bit pricey, so I did include a cheaper version for $10, which I will show you in 1 second. This is the $10 one. It's smaller but does the same thing, so, you know, based on your budget, go accordingly. This I thought was just cute. They could have their phone and their headphones charging, or just laying there. Something like this I thought would also be a good, cute idea. Now, if your boyfriend just loves clothes, comfy clothes, sweatpants, Hanes, $10. They have a bunch of colors, like, super simple but great idea. And of course, the pink hoodie. I mean, it's an excuse for you to get him a pink hoodie. And I mean, you know, guys in pink, it's a thing. It's good, it's great. This one I think is like $15-12. It wasn't that expensive, so check that out. Okay, this is the last gift, and it's a Lego. If your boyfriend likes Legos, you guys can do this one together. I know he probably, I don't know where he would put the flower one, but I think it's a good activity for you guys to do together. So I wanted to include it, and I think this one was only at $15, so it'll definitely look cute in the basket if you want to do a little date activity with it. Perfect. Anyways, that's all I have today. If you want more, definitely comment down below. Like, tell me which one you think your boyfriend will like, and I will make more of these, because honestly I had a lot of fun.